Welcome to LOVCADD, and on this particular video on part modeling which has the tricky dimensions. So let's first start with the drawings. Now see all the dimension and start from section AA. So for this, go to SolidWorks, part and start. First go to front plane, sketch, select center rectangle, create one rectangle here, assign the dimension as 40 mm at this side and 80 mm at its length. Okay, next we will make the shape which is like trapezoidal on the top. That's it. Go to smart dimension, assign the dimension as 35.7 mm from this edge and select this point and this edge and assign it as 55.44. Next is the height, which is 55 mm. Now the angle between these two lines is 145 degree. Next is of 110 degrees. Now let me adjust the dimensions. Next I will create the line, which is the magic step in this tutorial. For this, select line, create one line which touches this edge, go to add relation, select these two lines and give the relation collinear. Okay, now again select a line, make one line as per the drawing. Okay, now again go to add relation, select these two lines and make it collinear again. Now next select smart dimension, select these two lines and add the dimension as 10 mm. Okay, now select circle, create a circle anywhere in this line, select smart dimension, select center and this edge and assign the dimension as 45 mm. Next the dia is of 30 mm. Now select trim entities and trim all the unwanted lines. As you have seen, these lines are not in the drawing and the main trim is this. Now the drawing is fully defined, so go to features, extrude boss, select mid plane, give the dimension 50 mm. Okay, now this is our basic shape which you have done. Now select this surface, go to sketch, normal, select center rectangle, create one rectangle from this point, assign the dimension as 5 mm between these two lines. Now give the dimension as 40 mm for this length and again 40 mm for this length as it is in drawing. Now go to features, select extrude boss, reverse the direction, Select up to next. Okay, it looks well. Now select this surface, go to sketch, normal, select one circle and create with reference to vertical distance from the center point. Assign the dimension between the center and this line as 20 mm. Now the diameter is of 40 mm as given in the drawing. Okay, go to features, extrude boss, select up to next. Okay, now the last step, select this surface, normal, create a circle, assign the dimension as 24 mm. Now select line and create two vertical lines from the quadrant point of the circle and join it. See how I'm doing this? Okay. Now again select trim and trim these entities. Okay. Go to features, extrude cut, select through all. Okay, now this part is completed. You can add material, appearance. So this is how our part looks like. For more queries, go to the comment section and subscribe our channel. Thank you. This is Mrityunjay Kumar signing off.